Hey YouTube, bayshoredipman here. I'm back with another video. I could, two video choices for tonight. I could go ahead and put a dip of Copenhagen wintergreen in and just ramble. Or I could, very good possibility, can't stir in a can. Kayak, grape, longcut. I picked this up today because, why did I pick this up? Picked it up because I wanted to try it again. I don't know why I wanted to try it again, but I gotta try it again. And I'll be honest, I've already had a dip of this, and it ain't bad. It's really not that bad. The only thing that scares me is that's the bottom. There's no little code on it. There's no date, so I have no idea how old it is. All I know is that it does have a warning on the front and the side. So it's from '08. It's anytime after '08. I mean, it's a little dry, but then again, I don't know how dry or how moist kayak is. So, do I do classic Copenhagen? Well, it's not classic, it's wintergreen, so it's new Copenhagen. Or do I do kayak grape? I guess I'll go ahead and do a kayak grape on video for you guys. I'll kind of do my bullshit opinion review of it. So I should start off with the presentation. It's okay. I mean, it's plain, but it's okay. Tin construction, plastic top and plastic bottom. It's all plastic. Scent. I'm gonna pack a can a million times tonight. Scent. Grape, obviously. It actually does smell like grape. It's a pretty good grape smell. Let's go ahead and pack this halfway decently. Yeah, people tell me I pack too much, or I'll do it 3 times and pack too little. When I'm dipping Copenhagen, I'll be like, that's it. I just like to drag it out on videos. I was dragging it out because I've only had one dip of this, and then it was okay. But it's one of those things. I'm not crazy about grape. I don't like fruit, you know. So I'm not obviously not gonna be crazy about any of the fruit flavored dips, but like cherries. The only thing cherry that I like is the cherry slushies from 7-Eleven, or Slurpees rather. Other than that, cherry makes me sick. But I did a review of Skull Cherry. So I have a little pussy sized pinch because I really hate the flavor of grape. And dip spitting in a cup because I have nothing to spit in. I'm not looking forward to this. That was great. You guys see that? So packability. I guess okay. One thing I'm noticing right away is a lot of floaters. I don't know if I just happen to get an old tin of it or what, but a lot of floaters. And as far as dryness, it's pretty dry. At least it looks pretty dry when I'm getting a lot of spit, so I've only had it in for a second, but let you know. Spit on myself. And the flavor, it's grape. I'm not getting a tobacco flavor at all. Yeah, a real little bit. It's mostly grape though. It covers up the tobacco flavor pretty good. So if you don't like the tobacco flavor and you like grape, try it. Upside down. Fuck. I'm not crazy about it, but again, I don't like the fruity dips. Never have. Even when I started, I've always been a straight. I started a wintergreen guy. Winter. I pronounce the T a lot. Wintergreen guy. Never been one for the fruity flavors. But unlike this can of coal, unlike the can of Skull Cherry, I will dip through all this. Probably dip this one in school, because all my pussy friends I can bum dip all my pussy friends because they're too afraid to dip this because it might hurt them and blah blah blah. Or the best one is one of my friends took a dip of this and he started bitching that his lip was burning. I'm like, God, grow up, come on. I want to try I want to try a couple chews, like Red Man Chew and Beech Nut. From what I've seen, from what I've heard, Red Man Dip sucks. I want to try the chew though. Yeah, I'll wind up taking this one, just dipping this one in school one day and going through the entire tin because all my pussy friends, I'm their source of dip. Retarded. They're too afraid to try to buy it themselves. See, and I'm turning my friends into hillbillies. Well, one of them says I'm turning them all into hillbillies because they'll always give me money to go to the gas station. I'm fucking 17. I walk in the gas station. The guy sells me no questions asked. But you gotta try to buy back a Marlboro Reds, and he says no. Whatever. And they used to all give me money to go buy them, like Skull Apple pouches and shit. So I started buying them all fucking Copenhagen wintergreen, and they're warming up to it slowly. They're getting used to it. Next, I'm going to start buying them all snuff. You want to know what pisses me off more than anything? I went to the gas station today. These two together were $19.57. What the fuck is wrong with this country? I spent fucking $20 on these 2 tins of dip. There's something wrong with that.